Hello everyone. If f of x is equals under root x square plus 1, g of x is equals to x plus 1 upon x square plus 1, and hx is equals to 2x minus 3, then find f derivative of h derivative of g derivative of x. Now we had the values of fx, gx and hx. So differentiating f of x, we get x upon under root x square plus 1. Differentiating gx, we get 1 minus 2x minus x square upon x square plus 1 whole square. And differentiating hx, we get 2. Now we have the values here as it is. Now we need to find f derivative of h derivative of g derivative of x. First of all, we need to put the value of g derivative x into h of x. So we cannot put this value into this because we don't have any x term in the hx value. Therefore, hf of gf of x is 2. Now we need to put this value of 2 here. So it becomes 2 upon 4 plus 1. Which gives us 2 root 5. So which is the final answer.